Go Birds.
Go Birds. Good morning. Good morning. Go Birds.
Ah, race day, nothing like it. Love race day. Go Birds, go Birds, go Birds, go Birds, go Birds.
What's up, man? You know who I am? I'm BG. You think you gonna stare at me like that?
Muy favorables y es un buen fin de semana para Go Birds.
Order for Go Birds.
Go Birds, go Birds, go Birds.
Looking real skinny over there. Looking real rubbery. Definitely about to get folded.
He hit Brandon Graham, and the Eagles were coming.
Good night, sweetie.
Good night, Daddy. Good night, Swoop. Good night, Jason Kelce and Brandon Brooks. Good night, Lane Johnson.
Mantra as we exhale. Go Birds.
The Philadelphia Eagles select DeVonta Smith.
What's your Wi-Fi password? I've tried Go Birds, exclamation point, Go Birds 4133, Go Birds in all caps, and Go Birds forever.
Try beat Dallas. Got it.
Intercepted Darius Slay.
Good night, Darius Slay and Miles Sanders and DeVonta Smith.
Man, what happened to my stuff?
Ooh.
Good luck with that. Still got feathers in my locker.
30, 20.
Go Birds.
You can't move like me. You can't move at all. I'm smart. You a dummy.
Oh, I thought you said go blonde. Go Birds.
I mean, I love it, but might need a darker visor.
Hurt, he fired, caught for a touchdown.
You ain't got no soul.
Go Birds. He is hit, and he's dropped.
Open your chakras, Brandon. I'ma stay away from you, Lane.
First down, Tucker. He is hit by McLeod.
Our moment is now.
Sacked back at the 25. Fletcher Cox. He is going deep. It is a touchdown to Goddard.
Go Birds.
Go Birds. Go Birds.
Go Birds.
Go Birds.
Go Birds.
Go Birds.
Go Birds!
Fan runs through brick wall. Go Birds.